Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Berry Breakfast Parfait. One of the easiest, healthiest, and tastiest breakfasts out there is a classic fruit and yogurt parfait. The best part? It can be made with any toppings you like. Choose fruits that are in season to get the best flavor. But in a pinch, thawed, frozen will do. These double berry Greek yogurt parfaits were just the ticket. Super quick to make, full of protein and fiber, and naturally sweet, they are perfect for the morning or an afternoon snack and a wonderful post-workout treat. Ingredients: 2 cups plain Greek yogurt, 1 1/2 cups sliced strawberries, 1 pint fresh blueberries, honey, optional, cinnamon, optional. Directions: 1. In mason jars or bowls, begin layers with 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, followed by a layer of strawberries and then blueberries. 2. Repeat layering process until yogurt and berries are gone. If desired, add a drizzle of honey and sprinkling of cinnamon to yogurt layer before adding berries. 3. Store any uneaten parfaits covered in fridge for up to 2 days. If you like our channel, share with your friends. Press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.